Hey guys, welcome back to my beauty space. My name is LUZ MACIAS in case you are new here. And I went ahead, oh wait, I'm sorry, hold on. Go ahead and subscribe before we start this. I'm gonna give you a sec. So I went ahead and filmed for you guys this natural makeup look, this everyday go-to glam. Every day, school, work, play. So I went ahead and used the 3502 palette by Morphe. I think that's how you say it. I'm just going to go with the flow and say it's 3502. And I absolutely love this palette. This is the first time that I actually got to play with it. I did get it maybe about 4 days ago. And I love it. It's so creamy, so pigmented. Just amazing, especially for the price. Morphe definitely never disappoints. And I also went ahead and used my new baby, which is my Amrezy highlighter. Wow, it's like a donut. But I love this highlighter, guys. It's creamy, blendable, great, amazing, fabulous. All of the above. 23 bucks. Pick it up at your local online store because it's only available online. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, so I'm going to take the color Orb with my 502 brush. I'm just going to go in and place this on the outer corner as well as right above my crease. I'm not really concentrating this color in my crease, and instead of bringing it down, I'm actually going to swing it to the side so it turns out like this side. And we're just going to go back and forth with this color. I'm going to take the Morphe 139 with that same orb color, and I'm just going to do a little more precise. And again, I'm not going to bring the inner corner in. I'm actually just swinging it kind of to the side so it keeps it really open. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with my Morphe 514 brush, and I'm going to go into the color Fire. I'm going to place that right, I guess you can say above or on my crease. I'm just going to go right in and super lightly. And don't bring it down. You don't want it to come down, you kind of want it to swing out. So swing it out, don't bring it in. And again, I'm going super light. Do not bring it down, kind of bring it straight out. I don't know what the best way to describe it is. Okay, so now with my Morphe 506 brush, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the color Heat. And we're pretty much just going to outline that previous color that we put on. And just gently just place it right on there. So now with my Morphe 508 brush, I'm going to take the color In the Zone. I'm just going to tap it. And now this is where you want to get a little more precise. We're going to go in and kind of like you're doing a cut crease, you want to carve out the line. And you're just going to go in real gentle. And just keep building that color. And I'm going to go back into my 514 brush. I'm going to take the color Heat again. I'm just going to blend it in a little bit. going with the color Brunette, and I'm going to take my E35 brush and I'm just going to carve that line out even more. So just place it right where you put that last color. And you guys, this looks harder than it really is. It just takes patience. If you have patience, you could do it. If I could do it, you could do it. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my 506 and I'm going to take that heat color one more time and I'm just going to blend this out. So you should look a little crazy right now because that's what I look like. So before we blend everything out, I'm going to take a flat brush. This is the Morphe 421 and I'm going to go ahead and spray the brush so it picks up even more of the pigment. And I'm going to take the color Rustic. It's this like metallic orange. I'm going to start placing it right in here. So just start to place it. And I drag down because I feel like that's how it gets the best payoff. And you guys, this palette is so freaking pigmented. It's amazing. And for the outer edge, I'm going to take a little darker shade. It's going to be the color Zippy. And I'm going to start placing it right in the outer. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe 508 brush. And I'm going to go back into that color Brunette. And now we're going to go ahead and it's going to act kind of like an eyeliner. So you just want to bring it out. And go back into that 506 brush with the color Heat. I'm going to just blend the outer edge right here. We're going to take that same brush and I'm going to go in with the color Wiz, which is just a black shade, and I'm going to start to blend this. So this again is acting like an eyeliner. Go back into that color Heat. Just kind of take it and blend it. Now I'm going to go in to the color Pure, which is a little golder tone. I'm just going to lightly place it right in here. So right now we're looking like fire eyes. We are looking like fire eyes and I'm digging it. So I'm going to take that color Heat and that color In the Zone and I'm just going to blend this right here. Just taking both of those colors so it just really blends everything evenly, and I'm going to retouch on this end. I'm going to go back into my Morphe 139 brush and I'm going to take the color Orb again. I'm just going to lightly place it right on top of that harsh red line we have going on because it's not cute. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start on my face before I do my falsies. I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer and I'm just going to tap this, mainly focus it in the center like always, on my forehead. And to hide my pores a little bit, since I do have really big pores, I'm going to go in with my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. I use this in pretty much all my videos, wherever I show. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take my little sponge. This is from the Makeup Shack. It just doesn't really have a name. It's just called the sponge. I'm going to tap my one and only Forever Love, my Fit Me Maybelline foundation. I'm just going to start patting this everywhere. So for my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and take my Naked Urban Decay Weightless Concealer, and I'm going to mix it with my the Tarte Shape Tape. And the only reason I don't use just the Shape Tape, to be honest, is because this color is way too light on me, so I have to mix it with my Naked one. Blend it out so I don't look so crazy. And I do like to go super light with my blending. I like to go in and just lightly tap my sponge so I get the fullest. Okay guys, so my camera turned off in the middle of me blending on my concealer. I already went ahead and I am doing my baking. I used the number 7 translucent powder, and this is the Translucent Perfect Light Loose Powder, hypoallergenic. This stuff I recently just picked up about 3 days ago, I believe, and I already love it. I think it's so great. I did do a flashback test. I went ahead and took a picture of it with flash on, and it does not give you any flashbacks, so that's awesome. So now I'm going to go ahead and start to bronze my face up. I'm going to take my Morphe 530 brush, which I always use, and I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Shape Shifter in a light medium. I'm going to go in with this second color right here. I'm going to tap this in, and this is super pigmented, so a little goes a long way. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and dust that white powder off. I'm going to take this Real Techniques blush brush, and I'm going to go in with the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. I just recently started using this stuff. Besides it smelling amazing, it's great. I'm going to go right in over that contour, and I'm also going to bring it on my forehead, sides of my face. This is really just going to give me my color back. Okay, so I am going to go in with my blush. To be honest, I would show you guys this blush. It is a MAC blush, but it is so old that it doesn't even have the name in the back anymore. So I'm sorry guys. But this is just like a really subtle pink. I really gotta get in there. It does have some shimmer to it. And obviously, I don't want to go too crazy on the blush because I already have crazy looking eyelids. Can do both, you know. I mean, can. So before I put on mascara or anything like that, I'm going to go ahead and finish off my eyes for the most part. I'm going to go ahead and take my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. I'm going to place that right in my waterline. Sorry, you can see my mirror. I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe 508 brush, and I'm going to take the color Brunette, and I'm going to blend it right into the lash line. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take the lightest color that we used, which was Orb, with my Morphe 514 brush, and we're going to start to blend this right under here. I'm going to take the color Heat very lightly with that same brush, and I'm going to put it right under here. I'm going to go in with my Morphe E36 brush in the color Rustic. I'm going to place it right under here. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this really dramatic look. I would definitely rock this for a night out for sure, and to be honest, knowing me, I'd probably rock this during the day for work. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.